Hey, okay. So I don't know what happened, but the video cut off. Yeah, I'm not a techie, so couldn't tell you what happened. But anyway, that's why I just went ahead and uploaded it, part one. So this one will be labeled part two. But yeah, what I was saying was that I was going to talk about Marfoogle news in the other video that I did, but then my husband he's being him. So anyway, but yeah, so I there was another big one. But yeah, Marfoogle news. You need to check out that channel on YouTube. We have a little community. Everyone is welcome. And you really ought to check it out. I don't know anybody that hasn't liked it. And we're talking like thousands and thousands and thousands of people. Like upwards of 20,000. He does new shows every night. Just about every night. And live chats, that's fun. Getting to connect to people, meet new people. Here we go. Oh, it is getting bad. Yeah, it should be moving. We should be getting the worst of it here pretty soon. It's supposed to be worse winds than this. I don't know if you can really gauge how bad they are. I don't know if it really looks bad. And they did clock us at like 60. But when it gusts up, I mean, it's kind of scary. So, anyway, I just wanted to say, check out Marfoogle News. And I really think you'll like it. And hey, maybe I'll see you in chat. Okay, guys. Well, I'm probably not going to do another video. I just hit, upload on the other one. Man, them things take forever. And it said like an hour to go. So this will probably be another hour. So, I don't know what this one is. Because, I mean, it's dark. You really can't see anything. But yeah, I'll try and get out tomorrow. And hopefully we'll still have power tomorrow. We do have a generator, so we're good. But, anyway, alright guys, well, as Mark would say, well, Mark wouldn't say that. That kind of freaked me out. Sorry. As Mark would say, be safe, be prepared, and I'm out.